A local man who spent half his life behind bars for a crime he says he did not commit is finally free. Today, a Bronx judge cleared Andre Brown of the attempted murder charges he faced in a 1999 shooting case. News 12's Carmen Grant spoke with Brown's wife and lawyers who are celebrating this victory tonight.
For years, hoping and praying, Tamika Brown says she never gave up hope that her husband, Andre Brown, would finally get the justice to clear his name.
And he just said he's getting out.
Excellent. That's her voice over the phone, learning from her husband's attorney that Andre will be coming home after spending more than 20 years in prison. Brown will be released on his own recognizances after a Bronx judge today vacated 2 attempted murder charges against Brown in a 1999 shooting case. Judge David Lewis agreed during the time of the trial Brown's constitutional rights were violated. The decision means for the first time in 22 years, Brown will be able to celebrate the holidays in person with his family without a prison guard looking over his shoulder.
This will definitely be an exceptional Christmas to come. My son doesn't know the news yet. We're hoping to surprise him.
Back in March, his attorneys presented new evidence showing that Brown couldn't have been the gunman seen running from the scene because of a severe injury to his leg.
His lawyer never presented that evidence to the initial jury, so the jury did not know that Andre could not physically commit the crime the way it was described.
Jeffrey Jeskovitz says fixing cases of wrongful convictions are a personal mission for him.
Someone who has exonerated myself after 16 years in prison through DNA testing. It's kind of surreal to be involved in helping another individual gain their freedom.
Brown was initially sentenced to 40 years to life in prison and would have been eligible for parole in 2033. But now he could be released as early as tomorrow.
What's the first thing you're going to do when he's out and you see him in person?
Just thank God first and just give him a big hug.
The district attorney's office has filed an appeal against his release, citing that Brown is a flight risk. As part of an agreement, Brown must report twice a month to the courts. Carmen Grant, News 12.